Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Today we're going to scrap this sub pump. Okay, so there's a lot of brass in there. Let's see what we can get. This little ball, the floater, is brass. This rod is brass. This pole here is brass. And I think this little base here is also brass. But now let's see what's inside. Remember to cut the cord. Cut the cord there. Take those pieces of brass out. Put them all with your collection. Now let's open it up and see what we can find. This is cast aluminum. We're going to need sockets because the bolt is here, goes all the way down. So we're going to put one piece here, unscrew it with the other one. They're out. Just going to tap this piece here with a hammer, try to break it open. I doubt it's going to come out, being that this rivet is there, but anything's possible. You could barely see it, but there's a little Allen wrench there that we're just going to open up and take it out. Excellent. We got it out. Cast aluminum. Inside there. There it is. Nice big ring of copper. Let's see if we can bang that out. Now this little piece here, you can actually hit this with a grinder and open it right up. But because I don't have my grinder on me, I'm going to have to use a Sawzall. So I cut it open with a Sawzall. You can easily use a grinder. And this is what I got. Nice giant motor with some actual copper in it. That's real copper. That's not aluminum. Oh yeah, baby. This is nice number 2 copper here. Some nice weight. As for this, guys, I'm gonna have to end up cutting this piece of brass here to get out, because this looks a little solid, like a solid rod. So I'm going to have to deal with that. I'm going to take this off right now. Got it out. Let's see if I can get the whole thing out now. All right. Nice piece of brass. It's a piece of brass. This is solid. The rod, it's okay. I'll separate that, maybe. But there's aluminum. The rest of it is steel. Piece of steel scrap. Okay, so after pulling it apart, what did I get? I got a steel rod with a piece of aluminum on it. No way am I taking that off. Here's a brass floater. Some cast aluminum. Piece of steel. Another piece of cast aluminum. Nice heavy piece of brass. Another solid piece of brass. Nice little fly, looks like maybe a flywheel there, or a propeller. Nice piece of brass. And a copper motor. Isn't that cool? Some steel screws there. And that's pretty much it, guys. There's nothing else there. The wiring. That's it for me, guys. I think I'm gonna lay here for a little while. That little banging at brass, oh man, what a workout. So look on the next Mike the Scrapper and see what I got next. Till then, guys, Peace. On the next Mike the Scrapper, I'm going to show you how to make the most out of getting aluminum out of your lawn chairs.